Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a gifts for him idea list. If you want to know what you can get your boo, boyfriend, dad, uncle for this holiday season, stay tuned. To get started with our list, we're gonna start with Timberlands. You can't go wrong with Timberlands. They keep your feet warm and they cute. Next, we're gonna do Gucci slides. You can't go wrong with Gucci slides. Your man might want some cologne. He doesn't want the little boy cologne. There are other colognes out there. There's Gucci, there's Chanel. As long as it smells good to you, it gotta smell good to him. Your man wants boxers, drawers, briefs. The Calvin Klein ones are personally my favorite. Get him some pajamas. They don't even have to be a full set. Boys just love something that they can walk around the house in. A wallet, something he can use every day that you don't mind him messing up, because eventually it will get messed up. But it's nice to have a new wallet. Headphones, Beats, eardrops, wireless speakers. Who doesn't love a good pair of headphones? Anything to do with Nike, anything to do with Adidas, shoes, jogging suits, hats, windbreakers, anything to do with Nike or Adidas, it's the one. Get your man a grooming kit. All he wants is a good lineup. He doesn't want to go to the shop. He can do it at home himself. Get him a nice grooming kit. You can get it from Walmart, you can get it from Myers, you can get it from anywhere at a reasonable price. Boys love book bags nowadays. They have the Nike book bags where he can carry his book bag. In the bottom of it, they have the book bags that come with chargers. Book bags are essential in a man's life in 2018, so make sure he has one. Hoodies. Your man is tired of you stealing his hoodies, or your brother, whatever, they're tired of you stealing his hoodies. Go get him more hoodies, any brand. Nike and Adidas is what they usually love, but any hoodies in multiple colors, you can't go wrong. Jewelry. Your man loves chains. They love bracelets and rings just as much as you do. Earrings. It doesn't even have to be that expensive. It can be from a short place, a little place, a boutique, anything like that. Jewelry is always a good idea. Portable speakers are now a thing. They want to listen to music in the shower. You want to listen to music while you're washing the dishes, while you're doing homework. A portable speaker is a good thing to get this holiday season. Any workout equipment is also good. Any weights, dumbbells, anything they can do at home where they feel comfortable and they don't feel like going to the gym, but they still want to get a quick workout in. Anything with exercise. Fitness clothes. They're tired of using their good clothes to go work out, so buying any workout clothes, the dry fit, Nike, the long johns, anything like that is a good idea. Madden, 2K, Call of Duty. If your man loves video games, buy him that video games he like. Don't go searching for some super extreme idea when it's sitting literally in front of you. Leading to that, get him gaming headphones. I know you're tired of hearing him talk to his friends through the game. Gaming headphones, Walmart, $20, $30. You can't go wrong with gift cards, specifically to their favorite clothing brand. Gift cards in general, gift cards to food places is a good idea. His favorite restaurant. They have gift cards that hold actual money on them. You can't go wrong with money. Because this is specifically for college students and students on a college budget. He's going out to get internships and getting all these things. Get him ties. They need ties for these events that's coming up, and ties in order to go on interviews in the future. So why not just buy him a whole bunch in bulk for Christmas? For you and for him, Amazon has condoms on sale in bulk. Wrap it up real nice. It's a present for both of y'all. Spa treatments. Your man loves to get pampered just as much as you do, so gift cards to a spa or just a day at a spa is good. Gaming chairs to go with that new headset and those new games. Gaming chairs, you can find them almost anywhere. You can order them online. They will love it, I promise you. tickets to any sports event, tickets to any concert. Their favorite artist is coming. Get them those tickets, wrap it up, put a little bow on it, and get you a ticket to go with them. And that's it that I have for my list. If you guys like this video, and I'll make sure to leave the links to the items I listed down below.